Yeah, okay, folks. We're going to take this compressor out since it's, I guess, frozen stuck. Junior's going to go down there and loosen the belt. There we go. We loosened it up. Easy, easy. Don't let it go. It'll smack you. All right. So next, now that we got the belt loose, we just put it off to the side here a little bit. Next, we're going to do is take the get over here. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to take the compressor out. So. Just, hey, just loosen them all. I'll show you an easy way. Hit it. Yeah. Hit it. Hit it.
With the busted hand?
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, you got a busted hand. Okay, that's it. Just loosen it.
I am.
I'll show you how to do it the rest of the way. Yeah, there we go. Gotta show these youngins how to do it. Old man like me can't do it anymore. All right.
That's loose.
All right, give me the nut. Give me the nut.
The nut for the nut.
Ah, here we go. Yeah, I'll show you what the heck to do.
Yeah, the nut for the nut.
Here. Pull that one off.
Yeah.
Pull that one off, and I'll put that on.
And you just get it off.
Well, duh! There we go. All right, folks. After you initially unscrew these 4 bolts here. You have two down here and 2 up here. Now behind it is another right there, or I can't see through the lens that much. Right there is what did I say it was? What size was that?
A 10.
A 10. Take that off, and this will become this pipe here will become loose, and then you could take out the compressor altogether. All right?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
Remember that one you already loosened?
That was supposed to be a secret that I already loosened.
Oh.
Yeah, up. See, if I had the ratcheting ones, you would have been able to do it real fast. Now, I don't know if that bolt comes out altogether or it just loosens from the compressor and.
Find out in a second.
Yeah, yes it did. Look at that. Look how long it is, folks.
Alright, pipe's loosened.
Okay, now that's heavy.
I know.
It's heavy. Bring it up. Told you. And there you go, folks. That's how you remove a compressor. Yeah, the boy. All right, there. There we go. New pump.
No, AC compressor.
Air conditioning pump. Whatever.
Whatever you want to call it.
There's the part number, 651-1439. And made in Korea. And let's see how it looks. Ooh, red. That gives you a hint as to what color my bumper is going to be. Probably the same color of the car. Yeah, right. Let's see what it looks like. Brand new. Let's see how much. Oh!
Instructions.
Instructions. have to read this carefully. It will void. Uh-oh. Caution. This compressor contains 7 ounces of pack 46 oil. There we go. Ooh, made in Korea. There we go. Oh my God, this is... Oh, look. We got candy. Yum, 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 yum. All right, folks, take that out. Let's see if we got, or do I need, what are you aiming everywhere? Come on, down here. Pay attention to over here. Why'd they do that?
It had pressure.
Yeah. Well, I can understand why they, that, you know, with the oil and all. But yeah, all right. There we go. Here's the oil. Pack oil. So as long as I got this here, okay. New rings, because if you look, show them the old ones. They're completely pressed.
Yeah.
Flat.
Yep, they are.
Yeah. But does you see it through the lens?
Yeah.
Flat. Okay. And these are still brand new, sticking up. All right. I'll put this here until I'm ready, so no dirt goes in. Let us
Put it in.
go put this in. I don't want to take this off yet until the last minute to hook it up. So I got to move this pipe aside, hook these up, put it over here. Slippery devil. Yeah, I wish I had my wire wheel. I packed up everything, folks.
Want another one?
Oh, hold on.
Just trying to get it lined up, huh?
Okay, folks. Got the bolts. We aligned the compressor in, and Junior's going to start tightening back down there. So you have to fiddle around with it until it shoots in. Don't tighten it all the way down. Make sure it's shake the thing so it sits in the right way. I'll tell you, ready to tighten it down. Okay. Caddy cornered him. That's what he does. I don't know. Okay. Okay, one last one to go. All right, and to give it one last good measure, take that out here. Give it give one German, what do you call?
Tightening.
Good and tight.
Mm.
Okay. Sure, don't caddy corner. Good and tight. There you go. Not too tight, but tight. All right. One last one. There we go. Okay.
All right. Now.
It's not on the bottom one.
What bottom one? Got it on?
Got it on.
Okay. As you can see, the AC compressor's in. The belt's back on. It's bolted down. Now, it's gonna be time to test it.
As you can see, folks, we have a new alternator here.
New AC compressor.
Well, of course they just saw that. Plus we have a new starter in there. This is a 98. And according to our state, we can put classical plates on this and drive it around. And I wouldn't worry about emissions then. It will just be inspection. I just don't feel like paying for inspections because they rob you blind in this state. I'm sorry to say, they're a bunch of thieves. Since I was 18 years old, they just...
You take it in for inspection, they say, oh, you need new brakes. Oh, you need new tires.
Yeah.
No, I don't. I just put them all brand new on.
That's why I do it all myself. That's why I started learning how to do it by myself. And not only am I saving myself some money, but they hate me because I only come to them once a year for inspection. And I'm like, well, what do you want me to do about it? Don't come here no more. Yeah, okay. That's when I get the hell out of the state. Oh well. Anyway, 98. It's got 100 and what? 70?
170,000 miles.
Well, add about another 10 to 15 on that one because the odometer wasn't working and you were still driving it.
Yeah.
Got away with it on the first inspection, but I knew I wasn't going to get away with it on the second. So, I fixed it. I have a video on that. Check my history. It was the warm drive on the in the dash, whatever.
Yeah, the odometer gear.
Yeah, the odometer gear, whatever. Fix that. But I know it's going to come sooner or later because this is a 98. And from what I understand, 94 through 98, they only made not too many of these body styles. And apparently, I guess they're in demand or whatever. But I like my son, the junior says he likes to keep it, so I guess we're going to keep it. And one day we're going to take this. Well, it's still strong, but we end up going to have to take this motor apart and redo it. Okay, folks. Stay tuned when I start refilling the air conditioner after I get the bumper on here, or I can do that before. No, yeah. I can do that before. But stay tuned. But this is how you take it off. And this is how you put it on. AC compressor. Okay. Stay safe out there. Later. Oh, guess what?
What?
I'm hungry.
It's all mine.
Okay. Later.